Hey y'all, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. We're back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick style for you guys. So I saw this style on, actually no, I've tried this style before, you guys. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve it. Well, I'm just trying it out again because the first time I did it, it did not turn out pretty, like, well, how I wanted it to, at least. But anyways, the things that you're gonna need some scrunchies, you're gonna need a small one, you're gonna need a larger one, you're gonna need moisturizer and also oil, and you're gonna need some edge control if you like, because you don't necessarily need edge control for this style, but if you like, you can you know, put on some edge control. And last but not least, you guys, you're gonna need some, like, a bandana or, like, yeah, some, I'm not sure which one I want to use yet, but these are what I have for right now. So we're gonna get started. So first we're going to spray our hair, moisturize our hair. You guys, these are gonna be on sale. The rose water mix that I use, I'm going to be selling them. It's gonna be up on my website in the next couple of weeks when I do my next restock, so stay tuned. Like, I love this thing. I always just, not saturate, but I make sure I put a good amount, especially the ends of my locks, because they tend to get dry. Okay, and I oiled my scalp yesterday, so I'm not going to put oils on my scalp. I'm just gonna put some oils on my locks, so just a little bit. The 4 ounces, you guys, will also be back in stock when I in a few weeks, so because we are out at the moment, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that also. So first, what we're gonna do is you're going to leave a few in the front. All right, y'all, so you're gonna leave around 5 in the front. And then now we're just going to try to do a ponytail, a high ponytail. With this style, you know, I'm very tender-headed, so I'm gonna try not to make it too tight. Ooh, okay, you guys have seen me do this before, but anyway, so now just make sure everything looks good. So next, what we're gonna do is, yeah, make sure everything looks good how you like it. So cheap and your flex so deep, flex so deep. Got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna put 1. I was gonna put 2, but I don't want it too high. So just gonna put 1. I think I'm gonna use this one. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to wrap this around the right, so we tied it around the hair. So now we get to play around and style it how we like. So hey y'all, so I am back, you guys. So my camera has been bugging lately, like it's been stopping out of nowhere, and so that's why I didn't really, you know, show you guys the full look. But anyways, you guys, after I did like after I put this part, you guys, I did add in an extra rubber band, or an extra, what is it called, extra scrunchie, to make this a little higher, so that, let me put it, actually it keeps on scooting down, you guys, but I'm trying to make it a little higher so it can give more of like that what you call it, that Fineapple look. But anyways, yeah, so it looks so much better, you guys, than the first time I did it. Like, it's a little higher. It kind of does look like a pineapple. I have this, I'm not sure if I should leave it in the front. I think I like the side better. Let me know what you guys think. No, I like this side better. I think I like the side look of it better than yeah, I like the side look better, like the side bang. I really like it. Super cute, you guys. Like, it was super quick. You guys saw it was super quick. All I did was literally stack them, what is it called, stack the rubber bands up, you guys. And yeah, I did the side edges just a little bit. I didn't do the front, but just like the sides. And then yeah, you guys, and that is about it, you guys. Like, I really like it. It's like, it's not perfect, like always, you know, these styles don't have to be perfect. Like, you really don't need these styles to be perfect, but once you're done, once you're all put together, it's really cute. Like, let me show you guys the back. I haven't had a retwist, you guys, in a few weeks now, so hence why my, you know, my roots are like showing out. But anyways, yeah, let me know what you guys think of this style. If you guys have any questions, still hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.